You guys, literally, who is H and them? H and them, who's that guy? Okay, no to my like literally don't do to my H and them. Ndimatoti handasi kuenda kumbona fetu ndasana tafananye bunantri yawo don't kumfa zvini and even knows that utopu ndikuzitomuzvunzure is literally is true and is literally kunorapa nangazivenda like I don't know. I feel like the artists like is this what like Caterpillar almost the difference like and is that we don't know what the but we know what when we are like even is that even Thomas the differences are being Mara each and them like literally I saw his video like was rapping like literally I'm rapping fan like just that this type of a guy who doesn't document himself. He's finding a success because that guy is the documenters even the parties like he documented himself further. But I was reading his biography on Spotify and he was just telling us what he's doing melodic what trap what so that was why like I've known events go there even but when you go to because this song is fair condition which which one china matless nothing so it's good to song I mean even busy with the way so is the way stuff can I just that the what is come the what they did have on event man it's new to me or like up and this the mood even though if I don't go for a kumbondra don't go way back one man and too much was each and them like literally and because no one push even last day because of album I released last year was on the top 10 Apple Music one. So it's really trying to push my plan and what happened. This was just short because of the Snap challenge which was the previous role over for I think it was 200 something and okay. So and I think it's the world wide after one so it doesn't turn out more about when I push my plan but we don't know about him, we don't know what is his story, we don't know what he's going to but I just want to see the story of ancient the modern guy, like literally what is this come up with or tomorrow and like I don't know him. I don't know him. I don't know him to one if I see or don't try if I find over for 12 one. This is one no one but I don't know my baby. Don't know what to wait. I mean, literally, I don't know what they and the guy that literally this one good components was from, but there is also and literally, I don't know. Maybe the one who's only if you don't want to maybe some interview some then up on story about what is this upcoming. You can just say, I'm not pronounced of the part of knowing, even those or the one by distance, but I don't know later, I don't know who by or Alabama. But really have to investigate on the time and like a little from dollars of the time of guy and which has refused like what is this story in the situation error room to put the already because of the last one I'm doing so big and literally we don't know him.